Hey everyone, it's home tour day. I'm here at 3096 Riverdale. This is just north of 466. I'm at a 3-bed, 2-bath, completely remodeled home. A little bit on, I want to say it's unique on the inside, but it's a big, beautiful open space. And we also have, like, that garage is deep. You can get a large truck in here, car, maybe even a small boat on that side. Definitely 2 cars or 2 carts. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, give me a call. I'm your girl. All right, let's go on and take a look inside and make them an offer they can't refuse. All right, we are outside. And this home is just north of 466 in Glenbrook, 3096 Riverdale. This home has been completely updated. Oh, sorry. The landscaping's been redone, and wait till you see the inside. So now you've toured several of these properties. This contractor has taken and redone brand new kitchen, quartz countertops, all brand new appliances, no popcorn, additional LED lights put in the ceiling, LVP flooring. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, almost 1,700 square feet with a bonus room back there. Has French doors, plantation shutters, and it also has a screened-in lanai. This is a huge garage, so it's almost like a 2.5, but it's real deep, so it's 1 car deep and another garage on the deeper side. But we'll take a look at that. But here you have your breakfast nook. Now this is just stage furniture and a coffee bar here. And we're in a section that has gas, no bond. You see all brand new white cabinets, laundry, and they added some additional cabinets in the laundry space. Right around the corner over there is another little pantry. I'll show you that in a moment. We have built-in pantry with the stainless steel refrigerator. And the cabinets are soft closure. That would be your living room. And then dining room. Bedrooms are split. So we're going to go into the guest side. This is the back bedroom. They both have a closet. Again, this is no bond. This is Sumter County. For $369, I've been in quite a few homes in this price range, and I'm telling you, this is the best deal at that price in the Villages right now. We've got all new bathroom appliances, the cabinet, the tub is original, but that's a cast iron tub, and tile shower. I know the light changes, so the hue changes with the camera. But this is front bedroom. You can call this whatever, bedroom 2 or 3. And it does have a lot of closet space. Okay. My battery's going dead, so I want to get through this real quick. Okay, I'm gonna just take a swing around so you can, that's the master, the primary bedroom. You can just see how big, airy, and open this space is. All right, I'm gonna go into the primary bedroom. You have different options here to put your furniture. You can put your bed on this wall. You can put it on this wall. You can put it on this wall. And there are 2 walk-in closets. So we have one in the bedroom. You can see there. And then there's also one here as you enter the bathroom. Brand new cabinet. This is granite countertops. Mirror, light, tile shower, brand new. I mean, everything is brand new. HVAC, hot water heater, and roof are only a couple of years old. So everything is brand new. This is pretty much a brand new house. Great bones, everything has been redone. Again, we are from here, I think we're about 3 miles from Lake Sumter Landing, 3 miles to Spanish Springs, and I think we're probably about a mile and a half out, down to 466, where everything you could possibly need shopping-wise is there. So this is a bonus room. You see we do have double, I'll shut these, French doors. We have double French doors and plantation shutters in here. You can use this as an office space. And it's nice and bright and cheery. Got a beautiful tree. And then also we have screened in lanai. So you have everything. You have your Florida room. You have our screened in lanai. Vinyl sided, has gutters, siding is white, the shutters are blue. All right, let's go take a peek in the garage, and then I will await your phone call. Remember, if you're looking for a pre-owned home, you must have MLS and VLS. Watch that video to make sure you understand the difference, and that you do need both for pre-owned homes here in the Villages, Florida. So this is, you can see this is a bumped one garage. You'll get a huge truck in here with an extra space. You have drop-down steps for storage, and then there's a built-in cabinet. And then this side, HVAC, your hot water heater, irrigation, and then this is the additional garage. So you could get 2 golf carts in here, golf cart, a couple motorcycles. I bet you could get a small boat in here too, a narrow boat. But you do have a lot of room in this garage. Now, I'm not sure, I guess, I don't think that's a load-bearing wall. You may be able to open that up, but I'm not gonna make that call, I'm not a contractor. So, guys, oh, there's the other pantry that I was talking about. All right, there you have it. All right, here we go.
I love it. We just bought a house. Lucky Robyn.
Who helped you?
Robyn.
And what do you think of Robyn?
I love Robyn.
Do you hear that, people?
I love her.
They love
Yes.
Robyn.
We bought a house. We love Robyn.
Now, who
Thank
should
you,
they
Robyn.
use if they want to buy a house here in the Villages? Who should they use, Shayna?
They should use Robyn because she's a turbo supercharged sledgehammer realtor. Hello.
All right, you heard
Love
it here
Robyn.
first. Wait, bye.
Bye.